The next example is verify the Green's theorem in the plane for integration of x square plus y square dx plus 3x square y dy, where C is the circle, x square plus y square is equal to 4 traced in the positive sense. First write the Green's theorem here. Integration of C m dx plus n dy is equal to double integration of dou n by dou x minus dou n by dou y dx dy in the region R. First we have to consider the LHS part. LHS is integration of C. C indicates the curve that may be a circle or a parabola. Here they given the circle that is in the form of a circle, that R is equal to 2. The radius they given as a 2 here, and the radius they given means the parametric equation you have to consider, that is x equal to 2 cos theta and y is equal to 2 sin theta. You have to take these terms with respect to dx is equal to minus 2 sin theta d theta, dy is equal to 2 cos theta d theta. In terms of this, you have to replace the LHS part of all the terms. Integration of C, the circle is there means the integration of that limit is 0 to 2 pi. M is x square plus y square dx plus 3x square y dy. Now you have to replace this x and y term in terms of theta. 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta dx is minus 2 sin theta d theta plus 3 x square is 4 cos square theta, y is 2 sin theta, dy is 2 cos theta d theta. Now you have to simplify this term in the limit of 0 to 2 pi. The 4 cos square theta plus 4 sin square theta, it become a 4. 4 into minus 2 is a minus 8 sin theta d theta plus integration of 0 to 2 pi 48 cos into cos cube and sin theta d theta. Here you have to apply the integration directly. Here it become minus 8, integration of sin become minus cos theta 0 to 2 pi plus 48. Here also you have to take cos theta as a t and dt as a sin theta d theta. This become t cube dt. Now this become 8. Cos 2 pi is 1, sin 0, cos 0 is 1 plus 48. This we have to apply the integration t fourth by 4, that you have to apply 0 to 2 pi, replace 4, 2, 12. This you have to replace cos 4 theta 0 to 2 pi. Again this term become a 0. Now the LHS of the term become 0. The LHS is equal to 0. Consider the RHS part. M is x square plus y square, n is 3x square y. The RHS part is double integration of R dou n by dou x minus dou m by dou y dx dy. This you have to differentiate with respect to y. 2y, and this you have to differentiate partially with respect to x, 6xy. Here you have to substitute. Before substituting you have to rearrange the limits here. That limits are x square plus y square is equal to 4. Y square is equal to 4 minus x square. Y is equal to plus or minus square root of 4 minus x square. This is a y, and x you have to consider as a 2, the radius, plus or minus 2. Now you have to take the limit x equal to minus 2 to plus 2, y is equal to minus 4 minus x square 2 plus square root of 4 minus x square. Here n you have to write it as a 6xy minus 2y dy dx. X equal to minus 2 to 2. Now you have to apply the integration with respect to y. Now 6x, y become y square by 2 minus 2 y square by 2. The limit minus square root of 4 minus x square to plus square root of 4 minus x square. These two to get cancelled, 2 ones are 2 3s are. Now the integration of x is equal to minus 2 to 2, 3x. First substitute the upper limit here, and upper limit 3x minus 1 we can take outside and it become a y square. That for y square you have to substitute the upper limit square term, that is 4 minus x square, minus lower limit for the square term it become a plus 4 plus x square. Now this plus minus get cancelled, and the RHS part without applying the integration of x, the term become a 0. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. Hence verified the Green's theorem. Next example is find the area between the parabola y square is equal to 4x plus x square is equal to 4y with the help of Green's theorem in a plane. Here they given two parabolas that we have to draw in a, here one parabola and here one parabola. Here this parabola we call it as a y square is equal to 4x, and here one parabola we have to call it as a x square is equal to 4y. Now find the area of the parabola. They ask the area enclosed by the plane is 1 by 2 integration of x dy minus y dx. This is the area formula. By using this we have to find the point of intersection. By using the parabola, point of intersection, they given y square is equal to 4x and x square is equal to 4y. Then y is equal to x square by 4. This you have to substitute here. X raised to 4 divided by 16 is equal to 4 by x. Then this become x raised to 4 is equal to 64x. X raised to 4 minus 64x is equal to 0. Take x common, x cube minus 64 is equal to 0. X equal to 0 and x equal to 4. Here same you have to substitute in our y, and y is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. The point of intersection are 0, 0 and 4, 4. Now you have to take these points and find the curve C1 and C2. First curve, that is a C1, you have to consider as a y square divided by x square. Now that we have to take it in the form of C1 is equal to y square is equal to 4x. This you have to take in terms of dx is equal to y square by 4 dy. Sorry, x is equal to y square by 4 and dx is equal to 2y dy. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Dx is equal to y by 2 dy. And C2 curve is x square is equal to 4y. This also we have to represent in y is equal to x square by 4. dy is equal to 2x by 4 dx. 2 1s are 2 2s are. X by 2 dx. These you have to represent the curve 1 and 2. Now write the a is equal to 1 by 2 x dy minus y dx for the curve C1 plus 1 by 2 for the curve C2. Here x you have to replace it in terms of y, and here y you have to convert in terms of y, and here dx you have to convert in terms of dy, and here you have to convert x in terms of y, dx in terms of y dy in terms of dx. Now you have to simplify this term in terms of y is equal to 0 to 4. It become minus y square by 4 dy plus 1 by 2 x equal to 0 to 4 x square by 4 dx. Now this become 1 by 8 minus y cube divided by 3 0 to 4 plus 1 by 2 1 by 8, and this become x cube by 3 0 to 4. 24 64 minus 0 plus 24 64 minus 0 is equal to, this become 64 by 24 plus 64 by 24 plus 64 by 24. This become 128 divided by 24 is equal to 16 by 3. This is a area we have to got it by the using Green's theorem.